That's great. You done already?
Pull across it.
After dark Aldi haul, y'all.
They're paying me to light the parking lot up.
Oh yeah. Come on, we gotta hurry.
Watch your step.
They're gonna close.
Watch your step.
If we need a buggy, we need a quarter.
Call someone that cares. We got a quarter.
Let's check out the Aldi stuff. Well, we'll get the mango first. That's what we came for.
We came for mango.
Yes, and strawberries if they have them. Do they got any strawberries? They got one thing of strawberries. Aldi has the best fresh cut mango.
Now, folks, I'm gonna tell you right now, it is great.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get 2 of them.
It's really good. Let's go see what the Aldi finds are since we're here.
Okay.
I mean, you don't go to Aldi without looking at the Aldi finds aisle.
Right.
January they put out the workout stuff.
Yeah. Now what, they can get them New Year's resolutions in for the first 7 days.
Oh look, bath bomb kits and a candle kit. Oh, that's fun. Create your own candles, bath bombs, or soap. Let's try that. It's on clearance for $7.99.
I got this thing set up right. You come, work out, you get really sweaty, then you go make you some soap and take you a bath.
Huggable heating bag.
Mama,
that's
you ain't
neat.
gonna believe this, baby.
That's for after your workout to...
You make your soap, then you throw this down beside your tub. Mama, they know what they're doing right here. They got this thing.
Look, they have some planners right here. Premium planner for $6.99. Let's see what it looks like. They also have this desktop calendar. That's neat. Oh look, girls just want to have funs.
Fun, yeah.
Shower curtain. Do they got the liners. Do they have...
Mom, I'm telling you, somebody set this up right.
Yeah.
I'm being
oh, look at this. Desktop dry erase board too. That's neat. $4.99.
All this is just exactly in order right here. And then you jump out, grab your little dry erase board, and start writing out things you're going to do for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days.
Multifunction 2-in-1 shower system.
Yeah.
$14.99. And look, they have coffee bar tray objects right here. Rise and shine, it's coffee time. Oh, look at that tiny little cup that says good morning.
What is it, baby?
It's just to decorate like your coffee bar, you know, like a coffee tray.
You know what? We could get one of those, but the first thing I think we need to get before we do that, not in case you want to get that and go get, we need another coffee maker.
Oh yeah, or we're still using the French press.
Or another one.
Hey, look at these glass coffee mugs with lids. Now those are nice. That's a nice coffee mug.
That is a nice coffee mug.
How much are they? $4.99. Here they had your little frothing pitcher and a frother.
Milk froth.
Glass teapot. Oh, they have French press. Yeah, they're on clearance for $7.99.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
What?
I don't have the best time with these glass kettles. My first one that I had completely just stopped working, and the second one I accidentally dropped it and broke it.
Facial steamer.
Facial steamer, yeah.
You can steam your face, folks. Steam it. Somebody says ice it, another says steam it.
Look, there's a little space heater.
I mean, some people say on the, forget that guy's show, that they jump up and put their face in
ice water.
Ice water.
Yeah, that'll for sure wake you up.
This is a portable humidifier. We all know that was a Sprite or a Coke bottle.
You left our buggy.
Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa here, we got a therapy neck and shoulder wrap.
These have the little bears in them.
How long would them last at our house?
Oh, not long. I've got one glass straw that I got at the Christmas festival. I've been having to try to hide it from everybody.
Man, that almost sounds like a little Christmas carol.
Look, these have little upside down bear heads in the glass cup. What do you think about that? And do they have cereal in that?
This is more, yeah, I like that, but this is more like for us right here.
Oh yeah, silicone.
I mean, you can throw them
Can't
down.
break it.
You can be mad and throw that straw down. It ain't going nowhere.
They got lots of meal prep containers and stuff.
People's been asking about frying pans.
Color changing.
Oh yeah, they got about frying pans. They got them here.
They do.
You know, we don't know how long they would last.
They last good. I've gotten one before. What is this? Oh, this is you stretch over your vegetables. One time I did that to a tomato and it got moldy. Yeah, I feel like we can use that for something. See, it's freezable portions.
We feel good.
Yeah.
What is this? This is the second time I've seen this thing on this aisle right here. Is this some kind of massager? Or some kind of biscuit roller?
What is it? Relaxing self. Yeah, I guess, but it's got
roll out biscuits. This is bone broth. You know what? I'm gonna look at this right here.
Okay, you look at that. I'm gonna keep looking over here. What else do we got? Oh look, they have latte and frappe mixes, pistachio and vanilla. See if they got anything new in the freezer section.
You know, I always look at these right here because they look like they'd be really good to me. You know what I'm saying?
Those
and
are
one day I'm not
ones.
just gonna look at them. I'm gonna get one.
Look, they have snowflake ice cream cones right there. Snowflake cones, sweet heat chicken. I think that's new. I've never seen that before. I bet this would be a good chicken sandwich. Sweet heat chicken fillet. It's low spice level. Fish. Okay, well right here's shrimp. Right here's fish. They got flounder.
Okay, I need something.
Tilapia. Alaskan cod.
Okay, cod.
What's down here?
I'll take the cod.
Okay. This is pink salmon.
Okay, let's get the salmon and the cod.
Okay.
Let's get both of these. Tuna steak. I've never seen this before.
Oh yeah, I've seen those on some kind of cooking show. I think I saw tuna steak one time.
Is that it?
That's it.
Is this?
Yes, that's it.
What I need one. Oh, that confused me right there.
Yeah, that's it.
I was like, where is it at? Whoa! Have y'all ever seen a barcode that size?
If they've been to Aldi, they have. That's how big they are. Just so you don't miss it, you know.
Trust me, you won't miss that one.
So
I was looking for one like this.
Yeah.
One like I grew up on. And look, this is the one that my kids are growing up on.
Yeah, look, this one had it too.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Pull across it. Back to me. Why? Weird.
Mango's normal.
Mangoes are normal.
Yeah.
Call somebody who cares. You know what they'll probably tell you? Something about those barcodes. I'm gonna tell you right now, folks, I thought for a minute I was supposed to go get on a track and get a baton run. Look at them things, how they are. They're just like a track at the Olympics or something when I was in school. We'll call my PE teacher and tell her. Yes, Miss Little, I'm over at Aldi. I think I'm back in 5th grade trying to run the Olympics again. Titus, is this you? Yes, ma'am, it is. I thought you was in ISS.
All right, y'all. Me and Sissy are checking out the soap making kit. We only need 1/3 of this to make 2 soaps. Add dye and essential. Oh, here's the essential oils. Is this the essential oils? Lavender. Yeah, what's that one? It's written so tiny. Rose. Lavender and rose. And then this is yellow dye.
I'm gonna do
orange essential oil. I'm gonna do orange, I think. Let the soap sit. Leave your soap for at least 1 hour. There's probably an easier way to do this cutting, but
Yeah.
I don't know what it would be. We'll use this one to do this time. I'm gonna take all these little shaved off pieces. We'll use that too. We just have to heat it for, I think it said 30 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds. Okay, I had to do it for 20 more seconds, so 50 seconds total. 15 to 20 drops of essential oil. So we'll do 10 drops of lavender and 10 drops of orange. Now we're gonna stir it, and I'm just gonna let it be kind of swirly. You want it to be swirly, Sissy?
Yes.
Okay, we'll leave it swirly. We pour this in. Oh, it smells really good. Sissy's putting the lavender petals on top.
I'll tell y'all the truth, that soap smells really good.
It does. It smelled up the whole kitchen. That's great. Happy New Year's Eve. It's the next day. We're getting some more stuff ready for tonight. We're gonna make the chocolate covered strawberries and the cheese balls. We're gonna do the little mini cheese balls this time. Since we're having so many different things, I'm just gonna do 1 pack of cream cheese. So we'll get probably 8 to 10 of the little mini cheese balls out of that. We've got about 20 strawberries here, I think. 24 strawberries. They were really hard to find. Ingles didn't have any, and Aldi only had 1 pack that looked kind of bad. So we went to the salad bar at Ingles, and they had a few. They had already cut the, green stuff off of them, the stems off, but we got a few from there to go with the ones that I got from Walmart the other day. So we have dark chocolate candy coating and the vanilla flavored candy coating. And we also have some marshmallows that we're gonna chocolate cover because the kids love chocolate covered marshmallows. I'm letting the cream cheese sit out to soften, so after we do the strawberries and the marshmallows, then we'll make the mini cheese balls. And then tonight, all we'll have to make is, we're making the little meatball roll things. And I think that's it. We've already got the punch. We've already got the little cheesecake cups. Oh yeah, the pimento cheese crackers. We'll make those after we eat the little meatball things, because those don't need to be made until right when you're ready to eat them, or the crackers start getting soft after an hour or two. All right, let's start melting the chocolate. We've got our strawberries ready over here. They're nice and dry. Me and Cece are gonna do the strawberries, and then Manly's gonna come help with the marshmallows. He said he wanted to help with those. Okay, let me get another piece of parchment paper and we'll go ahead and do the chocolate marshmallows since it's still melted and ready. just take your marshmallow and put a toothpick in it, and then you dip it all around in there. You got it? Dip it all around, and then you sit it right here to dry on this paper. Do you want to put sprinkles? You gonna do green? I don't know if green will show up on the chocolate. You might have to save green for a white one. Okay, showed up a little bit. What about some of these on there? One of them.
But I can pour it.
Here. Now you can just pick them up and sprinkle them on there.
Done. This one can be yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You done already?
Yeah. I only wanted to do one.
Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about the mango. We're gonna cover a little bit of that mango in some chocolate too. Let me get that out real quick. Just a little dip of it. Like, the good thing is this mango is already kind of drier than it is sometimes, so I think it'll work good. Which one was yours? The one with the green sprinkles?
Yeah.
Tell us how it is.
Won't let me bite it.
It won't?
Good.
Time for the mini cheese balls. We're putting in 1 block of softened cream cheese. And since we're just doing the mini ones, I'm only going to use half of this pack of ranch dressing mix. This is just a really simple, basic cheese ball recipe. We'll go ahead and mix this cream cheese and ranch mix here. We're going to put some mozzarella and cheddar. And I'm going to save a little bit of this.
Save this for what? Save a little bit for what?
I'm going to save a little bit of that for me. Okay, we'll mix that in. Okay, we're going to take some crackers. I think I'll just need about half a sleeve. We're going to crush them up. We're going to scoop up a little ball, try to shape it a little bit, and then we'll cover it with the crackers. And I'm going to put it on this plate over here, and there we go. That's our simple mini cheese balls.